Welcome back to the channel Johnny Drinks. Saan tutulong kayo ng tips and tutorials on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bars. So if you're new to this channel guys, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and let's make some cocktails guys. So for today guys, I'm here at Sarnies Roastery. So it's our cocktail night for today and I will be showing you how to make one of our classic cocktails or one of the classic cocktails around the world, which is Negroni guys. So first, we need a stirring glass. So the first ingredient is gin guys. Around 20 to 30 ml. Campari. Vermouth guys, 20 to 30 ml. Let's put some ice on our shaker and let's stir it around for 20 to 30 seconds. How about this guys? Then let's put in a rock glass with a rock ice guys. Garnish it, we're going to garnish it with orange peel guys. There we go, our classic Negroni here at Sarnies Roastery.